liquor yet. Me a town that comes to court. But in a town, no, me a town. But just go put them up on the left. The people come forward and watch them. Come here. Put them on the left. But just say. I want them step for you. I want them. Up down.
To make a walk out, work down there on people. Now get over there on people. Then someone now when inside truck at the link up will be in a sense of people. Now think when I'm sure for the first meeting, but yeah, inside truck at link up with people. You don't know what's going on the truck at thing. You don't know about lifestyle. So get up. Get to the last one who are going to like something and thing. Get a close up and everything like that. But people, they have to subscribe to the channel if you guys subscribe. Yep. So you guys subscribe. Like the video right now with people. And stay tuned and that's one who are going. Part to go there. That one doesn't. And look up for me. So, when I go to our one, stay tuned.
When the gears get wet, Alright, dia tinggi.
In our real life, and I love every truck sound them on right now. In our real life, what are we gonna need to do? Entertainment, you know. One all truck sound on. You know when there? Who know when the song on the song? So everybody is one now. None of them can sing, boy. Bring the boy, where you there? Bring the boy, where you there? Jesus Christ, come here. And somebody, no car in here. More truck forward. No car inside here. I'm not going to touch you and touch you down. Yeah, right? So we don't want no car parking, no car to get in. No more car here. You see, everybody's finding out something. know what they must say? Them have 3 trophies to give it tonight. Look how we are going to get the girl in the ball. Look how we are teasing them. Look at I don't know married and put a ball on in her ear. People remember I was telling we have 3 trophies to give away? You understand? So you can walk around and look for the took them in their place. So what come? Well, that's one put them up on the life. The people come forward and watch them. Come here. Put them on the life. What does say? I want them stand here. I want on here. What on here? What on here? Check out that. Check out that. I want them. Anything they have to get in dance for them tonight? Look at, put it, hey, 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 come on out there. Show me a select and they can't dance, so move it around. One that. Touch your back. Yeah man, look how now, man, I'm behind ya. You're gonna get a trip tonight. I work me out here. You in here? Let me see by this dance on there on the night. Oh, where you go? Where you go? Watch out. Give them a run. See the dance on ya. Watch out. Put it. Get mad. Pull up. Uno think you never check on this man now? Uno check on this man now. Uno think. Me not really ready yet. I'm not drink my liquor yet. Me a town that comes to cold. Me in a town now, me a town. Go! Everybody get in back now. See the dance on my roll. Get them in now. Go! Everybody start it for yourself. Go! Just wait for the dance. Hey! I mean you dance it for yourself. I'm promoter. We are going to press it. Any truck driver we can dance to. Me put a money to it. But when you come here with pretty truck and feel like that alone, and be entertaining the kids them and sitting.
The market of the region, the rubbish of the region. No one can, someone can. That's what they're doing, and God can't hold them. One more God can't hold them. Alright? I gotta put my door, take my door. Oh, no, I can't buy it. Come on. Go ahead, my yeah. Well, there's a chocolate bar. Any chocolate in the hammer, yes, yeah. Any chocolate hammer here in Washington. Yes, yeah. Wash your foot down, Papa. One chocolate in the hammer. Chocolate. Or not the chocolate. Still the door to the door. I realize. Wash your foot down. When are you going to bring it? Hold on. far under this? One back. How far under this? Is that juvenile driving? He can't drive, I bet you. He can't drive. He can't move it. I want to see if he can move it. I want to turn on some phone light. Hold on, don't move it juvenile. I don't feel like a youth. Don't ever really ever drive it. Turn on the phone, man. I want to move some. Mama, wind up the window 1 minute. Let me catch a look at juvenile. Yo, look on them. Come turn on some phone for the juvenile. Come when look at you, man. One little juvenile. One little juvenile. I move under. One little juvenile. What is this guy? I'm going to take you over. I'm 7 years old. I'm a driver already. Oh, you got me in park, yes, sir. Fuck, say what you're doing. I'm not confident by telling you. Get your juvenile, man. We don't know what juvenile, man. We don't know what juvenile, man. I really like you. We don't know juvenile. That's why I tell you what juvenile. You know what's going on 50 and 10 and 5. Oh, yeah. We don't know what it is. Jesus Christ. Where's phone like them then? One pretty one here. Some of them old chuck have come out there now. Worse the one they want to watch them put down the hammer and the wheel. When I'm out and do it to you, and the thing some of them pretty chuck here now. It's a really nice, you know. And a good chuck show, you know. A really nice. Wonder one here, put the trees up there, man. The tree of them. The tree of them. Watch clean. We're going to let out some of them truck over here tonight, in the daytime. Alright? Now some of them truck are just like some old one. We're going to clean truck over there tonight. Original truck now. Jesus Christ. I'm going to pass some truck, some now get past it. In a ring line, you know. Look at the truck. When you come on, step on the truck there. And Johnson the truck is a good one on the truck there. The chair there. You know what they do truck there work on the weekend, alright. And just truck show them go. I'm clean, sir. Jesus Christ, I tell you. Anyone who drives dirty truck, I don't think people that do. I read that. What time I hear no one stop? I want to run around the wheel. I don't want to see what you read that. Some good truck are about to grab. And you tell them, and rubbish truck on the jet. You want to see the people parking down over there. This is going to do that in space. Sit down, man. I'm talking about my church here. I'm going to get some blessing. I realize I'm going to get some space for you. Right to show the right to it. Remember, we have to live a space for the fireworks. I live for this about the fireworks. All the people, when we have to do the no, you don't know what to do to here. Call them fireworks. Alright? Gotta jump up to the river. I realize. Alright. Look around now with a mirror. How much of a mirror? We have to buy a car. Then two mirror. In a real life. I'm going to right. DJ Kid. In a trouble in a bit. here. The Leland are coming here. How them can't manage the bad man? So no star, the car can't park in here more chucker forward. No car cannot park in here. You might turn, man. Because which man will park down this one? The more chucker come black you. All you have to do is come out of there. Remember, say, when truck squeeze up the car, you're for your own, you know. In a real life, you know. I look like Prendy ready for mash up the place up. I sound like Prendy boy ready for mash up boy and so. I'm a the honor can sing. Listen, listen, listen. Give me a reading. Jesus Christ. No more chuck can that, you know. Because someone in the buy good hand. Buy can them up on them chuck. In a real life.